Need to block someone on Snapchat but not sure where to find the option? In this quick step-by-step guide, you'll learn exactly how to block any Snapchat user, protect your privacy, and stop unwanted messages in just a few simple taps. To get started, open the Snapchat app on your smartphone and sign in if you aren't already. From the camera screen, swipe right to open the chat tab, or tap the search icon at the top and type the username of the person you want to block. When you find their profile, tap and hold their name in the chat list, or open their profile page by tapping on it. Next, tap the three-dot menu or the gear settings icon in the top right corner of the profile. From the available options, choose Manage Friendship. Inside this menu, tap Block. Snapchat will display a confirmation message explaining what happens when you block someone. Tap Block again to confirm your decision. That's it. The selected user has now been blocked. They can no longer contact you, send messages, or interact with your Snapchat account unless you decide to unblock them later. If you ever change your mind, you can manage blocked accounts through Snapchat's Settings menu. Blocking is a quick and effective way to protect your privacy, reduce unwanted interactions, and enjoy a safer, more comfortable experience on Snapchat.